Are you thinking about using jobscan.co to improve your resume or job application strategy? Before you dive in, there are 7 crucial things you need to know that could make or break your decision. Stick around until the end for some key insights that could save you time, money, and frustration. And by the way, if you want to try jobscan.co for free with the best offer available, make sure to click the first link in the description below. Let's jump right in. First off, jobscan.co isn't just another resume builder. While there are plenty of competitors like Resume.io or Zeti, Jobscan stands out by helping you tailor your resume to specific job listings. The platform uses advanced algorithms to compare your resume with the job description, so you know exactly what keywords and skills you need to include. This means you're not just throwing your resume into the void and hoping for the best. Instead, you're optimizing it to pass through applicant tracking systems, ATS, that many companies use. Next thing, jobscan.co goes beyond resume optimization. The tool also offers a job search feature where you can track your applications and see how well they're optimized for specific job listings. Unlike many competitors, which focus solely on creating resumes, JobScan helps you improve your overall job search strategy, making it easier to monitor your progress and stay organized. The third thing you need to know is that JobScan offers an incredibly detailed feedback system. When you upload your resume, it breaks down how well your resume matches the job description, highlighting the areas where you're lacking. This means you get actionable advice on how to improve it, not just generic feedback. This detailed feedback is essential, especially if you're applying for jobs in competitive fields where every little advantage counts. Many other services offer basic feedback, but JobScan's detailed analysis truly sets it apart. The fourth thing is JobScan's affordability. While many resume building platforms charge a premium for their services, JobScan's pricing is reasonable for what you get. Plus, if you're not sure about committing, they offer a free trial that lets you experience the platform's full functionality before paying. In comparison to competitors like Resumake or NovoResume, JobScan's pricing structure is straightforward, and you won't find yourself locked into long-term commitments. Next up, jobscan.co offers more than just resume optimization. They provide personalized career advice and resources to help you throughout your job search. Whether it's preparing for interviews or providing access to various job search tools, JobScan goes the extra mile in providing value. In addition, their blog and resources offer great tips on resume writing, job search strategies, and ATS best practices, making it a well-rounded platform for your entire job search process. The sixth thing to note is that JobScan's customer support is top-notch. If you run into any issues or need clarification, their team is responsive and helpful. This is especially important when you're navigating a critical part of your job search and you need support to ensure your materials are top tier. Competitors can sometimes leave you in the dark with poor or slow customer service, but JobScan understands the importance of being responsive. Finally, the last thing you should know is that JobScan continuously updates its platform to keep up with changing job market trends. This means you're getting a tool that adapts to new ATS algorithms, job application trends, and evolving industry needs. Many other tools don't offer this level of ongoing updates, which makes JobScan a long-term asset in your job search toolkit. So if you're serious about landing your dream job, jobscan.co is definitely worth considering. The platform offers everything you need from resume optimization to job tracking, all while providing a level of service and detail that outshines the competition. If you want to try out jobscan.co, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial available and exclusive benefits you won't find elsewhere. Don't miss out. Click the link and see how JobScan can help take your job search to the next level.